A South Charlotte community mourns the loss of a neighbor. Frank Hills is remembered as a kind man, celebrated for greeting people every morning as they start their days. News 14 Carolina's Leslie May shows us how neighbors paid a special final tribute to him.
For years, Frank Hills was known as the friendliest face in his South Charlotte neighborhood.
He made the kids feel so comfortable. I mean, everyone knew him, everyone knew his dog.
Just about every day, along with his dog Bella, he'd stand on this corner in the community of Deerfield Creek, waving to his neighbors and handing out treats to their pets as they headed off to their day.
He's always such a jovial spirit. He always had something very, very positive to say.
But as the neighborhood's children set out for the first day of school Monday, Hills wasn't there. He passed away last week at the age of 82.
He was a very special man.
So as his family prepared to lay Frank's body to rest, his community gathered to pay one final tribute in the best way they knew how. Gathering on his corner early Tuesday morning, waving to the people passing by, just as Frank had done on so many days before.
I don't believe that he ever knew how many people he actually touched. It was just a simple wave.
Neighbors who gathered for the tribute say Hills, a veteran of both the Korean and Vietnam Wars, was a beloved daily presence.
He made you slow down, and you didn't have to. You just wanted to when you saw his smile going in and out of the neighborhood every day.
And they say through the simple gesture of waving, he served as a constant reminder of the goodness still present in the world.
He's not gone. I think maybe he's always going to be there for us. And after we get through the sadness, we'll just be grateful that we had that time with him.
Leslie Mays, News 14 Carolina.